Hi everyone, I'm Jay with TalkFusion Support, and today I'm going to show you how to use TalkFusion Suite app on your mobile device. Once you have the Suite app installed, go ahead and click on it to launch it. It should place you directly in the video emails. Let me give you a quick look at the overall app. By clicking the three dashes at the top left corner, it will reveal some additional products that we currently offer within the app. Contact Manager, Media Library, of course video emails, and TalkFusion's live meetings. Live meetings includes calendar, presentation maker, and reports. You also have the ability to contact us via support and change any settings as well as edit any of the info located on the account. Let's get started with video emails. Clicking video emails, it will take you to this page. This page is empty because we haven't created any video emails as of yet. So let's create our first video email. At the bottom right corner, click on the plus sign to make your first one, and let's go ahead and name it. We'll decide if we want to make a build your own template or a pre-designed template. We'll do pre-designed for now and press OK. The next step requires you to start creating your email. The current status for this email that you're making is saved. So let's go down to the next section, and it shows us our contact information. It lists who the email is coming from, what email address is coming from, and the phone number associated with the sender of this video email. You can also go ahead and add your company name and web address. The next section allows you to type in your recipients. So let's click on the plus button to add our recipients. Now you have the option to select your contacts from your contact manager or type in the email addresses by clicking email recipients. Once you're finished typing the email address, press the plus sign to add it, and click within the section if you'd like to add another email address. You can also press the return button on your keyboard to add the email address. If you want to remove an email, simply press the minus button next to the email address that you would like to move. Press OK when you're finished with your recipients. The next section will ask us if you'd like to enable social media sharing. Clicking this will allow you to put your social media, Twitter and Facebook handles on the template of the video email. The next section asks us to select the background for this video email. You still have the option to choose your custom templates as well as the other hundreds of templates that we have available within your TalkFusion Video Email Center. So let's choose a template. Once you select the template, it will drop onto the screen and give you a preview, an on-screen preview of that template you selected. It'll also give you a check mark next to the section that you've completed. Now that the background section is completed, let's add our video. By clicking the plus sign for video section, you can then choose from your media library, your Fusion Pro video library. You can pick one from your phone or record one directly into TalkFusion. Let's select one of the TalkFusion pre-recorded videos, and we will click on the product video. Once again, the check mark located to the right of the section lets you know that that section has been completed and you can move on to the next step. At the bottom of the page, you'll have email information. This will now allow you to create your subject line and message body for the video email. By clicking this section, you'll be able to type in your subject line for the video email. Clicking the pencil for message allows you to edit the message text for the video email. Once you're satisfied with the message, hit done. It will then give you a preview of that email. Now, if you notice at the top of the screen, we have a disk, a floppy disk, indicating to save the video email. So we'll go ahead and hit save. Now that that floppy disk icon is changed to the send icon, it's letting us know that our email is ready to send. Some of you may want to schedule this email to be sent later, which you have scheduling options at the bottom, just like you would in your regular dashboard for video emails. You can go ahead and either send this out now or save it. We'll click on the schedule option and we'll choose when we want this email to go. You still have your other options such as once, daily, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, bi-monthly, quarterly, or you can actually delete this option from here. Once you're ready to send the email, hit the save disk once again, and then hit the send icon to send it out right away. You'll get a confirmation message that tells you that your video email has been submitted, and you can click on video email to go back and review what you sent. Now, in the video email manager page, you'll see all of the emails that you sent along with the status of that email. As you saw when we were creating the email, it showed that the email status was saved, and now that it's complete, it's now sent. I hope this has been very informative and helpful for you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at support@talkfusion.com and let us know any questions that you have regarding this or any of our other products. Thank you.